A friend just gifted me this fantastic sewing machine. It's the Husqvarna Viking Designer 1 series sewing machine. One of the things I found out about it, though, is it uses the old floppy disk system. Most people don't have floppies anymore. I thought they were went the way of the dinosaur. So I had to go online and find myself a floppy disk and some floppies. One of the challenges, though, is that you cannot just put a embroider file onto a floppy and stick it in the machine. It has to be specially prepared using some software first. So after much frustration and research, I finally discovered that Husqvarna, on their website, has some free software. You go to support and updates. There's complimentary software. You click on that, and you go to complimentary software download. This is a download of the Premier+2 embroidery program. You can get the free version of it, or if you want more features, usable features, then you pay for the program. Otherwise, for basic preparation of your files to use them on your Husqvarna Designer 1 machine, you can just simply use the free version. So here's the free version. I have it open and ready to use. I've actually put an HUS file into the hoop. You've got a selection of all your hoops up here. I could change to any of the standard Husqvarna designer hoops. Right now I've got it set up for the standard hoop. And I downloaded, actually I opened a file right there and brought in the Assassin's Creed logo, embroidery logo. And then when you're ready, you just plug your A drive into your computer, go to File, and you can save the file too on your computer, but then you just export it. I don't have it set up right now, but I would save it to my A file. It will ask you if you want to format the floppy first. I did that just to kind of be on the safe side. And then it created a file for me that I was able to use on my Designer 1 machine. And in the end, I was able to actually embroider this particular logo. It's a Batman design on my machine. It's a great machine. I'm glad I was able to make use of it using some old technology.